to make things square, and he hits straight into the goalkeeper.
Slit taking on Imperial, the defending champions. Slit will hope and pray that they'll be able to get their hands on their second consecutive title. You can say the visiting team, Slit campus, playing in their home field. Indeed, they'll well and surely have a good knowledge.
And finally, it's game time. It's the visitors kicking off things from the left to right of your screen.
Cuts back and goes with his left foot, but right at that Slit campus defender. Once again, the yellow card comes out of the pocket.
Here's Tariq and Mufazzal. Shots on a target and a good save by the Slit goalkeeper.
He did slip down there, and slips can really come down to haunt footballers, and bring a slip count. I think all Liverpool fans can remember that slip. And as we talk about fumbles, an absolute fumble from one end to the other end. Things haven't gone well for Slit, as Mufaza Isiad gets the goal in, and a possible deadlock breaking goal here at the final. A massive error in the back, but it was a previously massive error in the front which led to this goal. Atif.
Play goes on, and here's the number 10 trying to find their player in the box, and he shoots, and a valiant block by the Imperial, and he shoots and scores. Slit finds the equalizer through the number 8, Miktas Muhammad. Equalizes for Slit. What a finish. Finds the back of the net after the rebound. Top stuff. And here's Jafzan Ahmed in that left wing.
Indeed, brave stuff from the Slit keeper to go into the break, conceding one. It's 1-1 here at the Slit Legacy Shield final. The crowd as well and surely build up, and that was expected as the evening goes on. Early signs of attacking intentions from Slit campus.
From the looks of it, he has the ability to cross the ball, but with both of his feet, and that's a golden opportunity missed by Slit. Footwork and nice give and go. Takes the shot from range and almost scores. Under these circumstances, when Slit dominating the game and pulling out, and it's a oh! And here's Prabhashwar. And that's it. It's full time here.
Against Baba Kuhan. And sends Baba Kuhan the wrong way is Nimna Kachirat to give Slit.
And here's Nilar. Stop and go, run up, and he scores. Nilar.
And he's hit it wide. He's hit it over.
Here's Nabil. What a save by the goalkeeper, Sachin Jayasinghe. He have to score. And he scores. No doubt with that. To make things square, and he hits straight into the goalkeeper. But here's Tanis. And he misses it. Oh, he scores it. Beg your pardon.
Sachin Jayasinghe in goal with an opportunity to help Slit to win this game. Indeed, he does. It's Slit who go back-to-back champions in the Slit Legacy Shield 2025. Sachin Jayasinghe, the man for the lads in purple. He will be carried around for a long, long time as the fireworks go up. It's yet another ending, yet another chapter being ended here at the Slit Legacy Shield. It's the Slit campus who go back-to-back champions